Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Mazda CX-5 infotainment system. To begin, locate the commander control knob on your center console. This intuitive dial allows you to navigate through menus with ease. Simply rotate it to scroll and press down to select. You can quickly return to the main home screen by pressing the dedicated Home button, giving you access to all primary functions on the 7-inch or 8-inch display. Now, let's explore your audio and media options. You can easily switch between radio stations, satellite radio, or your connected devices using the audio button. For seamless smartphone integration, simply plug in your phone to activate Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, bringing your favorite apps to the screen. Many models feature an impressive Bose 10-speaker audio system, delivering rich, immersive sound for all your journeys. Staying connected and finding your way is simple with the CX-5 infotainment. The built-in navigation system provides clear, precise directions to your destination, or you can use your phone's navigation through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. For communication, pair your phone via Bluetooth to make and receive hands-free calls. Plus, voice commands allow you to control music, calls, and navigation without taking your hands off the wheel. Finally, personalize your Mazda CX-5 infotainment system to suit your preferences. Dive into the settings menu to fine-tune display options like brightness and contrast, and adjust the audio equalizer for perfect sound. You can also customize various vehicle settings, from automatic door locks to interior lighting. Don't forget to save your favorite radio stations or frequently visited navigation points for quick access, making your driving experience truly yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.